How to create a cumulative frequency graph in Google Sheets. Introduction to cumulative frequency graph. Search for cumulative frequency graph. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric columns. Select dimension column. Click on the Create Chart button. Cumulative frequency graph is created successfully. How to configure a chart. Cumulative frequency graph data requirements. You need between 0 to 1 column of categorical data to create a cumulative frequency graph. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need between 1 to 20 columns of numerical data to create a cumulative frequency graph. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: cumulative frequency graph will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. In this video, first we will create a cumulative frequency graph with 5 numerical data columns. Later, we will add 1 categorical data column. Search for cumulative frequency graph. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Metric USA. Select Metric UK. Select Metric India. Select Metric Canada. Select Metric Australia. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in start row and end row text boxes. Currently we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 5 numerical data columns. Now, we will add a categorical data column. This is an optional feature. Select Dimension Hour. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 1 categorical and 5 numerical data columns. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the chart label left properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the text section to change the label. Click on the Apply button. Follow the same steps for chart footer properties pen to edit the label. Click on the Chart Settings button to change the chart properties. Click on the Frequency Type section. You can change the frequency type to either cumulative or relative as needed. Click on the Relative Scale Type section. The relative scale type can be set to either 0 to maximum value or 0 to 100% as required. Click on the Cancel button. Click on the Data Point Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Dot section. You can change the dot type as needed. You can change the dot size as needed. Click on the Line section. You can change the color of both the line and the dots. Click on the Apply All button. Similarly, change the color of all lines and dots. Click on the Callout Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Callout Line section. You can change the line style as needed. Click on the Callout Label section. You can show or hide label box. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on, enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below, please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo Charts list. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.